Instagram Reels. Now listen, as a marketing professional, I understand the value that Instagram Reels brings to drawing the right type of audience to my profile so that I could potentially sell and market products and services to them down the road. As a full-time working woman with a side hustle and a family though, I feel like I'm just adding one more thing to my never-ending to-do list, and I'm sure you may feel the same way. So in today's video, I decided that I'm going to do something a little different and show you behind the scenes how I'm going to use a really easy and simple process to batch 5 Instagram Reels so that I can have them queued up and ready to go for future posting in the coming weeks. You can use the same process so that way you don't have to worry about making content and Instagram Reel videos on the spot here in the future. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the seasoned marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. If you're new here, every Monday I release a new marketing video, so if that's something that you want to stay up to date and current with, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now or follow me on any one of my other social media accounts. Okay, so this is a judgment-free zone, and y'all best not be judging me right now. As I said, as a marketing professional, I understand the value of using Instagram Reels to grow your audience base on Instagram. However, I just haven't been prioritizing it. I mean, who has time to make these videos on the daily, right? So I decided that today I'm going to use a really easy process to go ahead and bite the bullet and create 5 Instagram Reels that I can have queued up and ready to go for future posting. So that way all I have to do is set a reminder to publish them onto my Instagram page and I'll be set and good to go. Just like with any other type of batching process, I need to do a little preparation in order for this to be truly effective. And I am a firm believer in giving myself a time frame to complete a task. I'm not going to spend my entire weekend doing this. I'm going to create 5 videos in an hour, and so I'm looking at my time clock right now and it's 1:05 p.m. which means I have until 2:05 p.m. to get all 5 of these shot and edited to the point to where in the coming weeks all I have to do is hit publish on it or maybe just tweak 1 or 2 things. So let's go ahead and dive right in and start the process. Okay, so since I'm going to be doing 5 videos at once, I want to have a starting point and have a really good idea as far as the content that I want to be putting in each 5 of these videos. And so in order to start this process off, I'm going to grab a pen and a sheet of paper and I'm going to write down all 5 of my ideas so that way I'm not just kind of floating around recording random stuff. That way I know exactly what content I want in each of these videos and I can effectively record and add text to it as needed. All right, so now I have all 5 of my ideas mapped out, which is going to make my actual recording process a lot easier. But listen, if you are struggling to come up with your own ideas, I actually created a download for you where I'm sharing 10 Instagram Reels ideas, and you can take those, make them your own, and that way it'll kind of help you along with this process. Just go to www.theseasonedmarketer.com/reels, and you can download that for free today. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reference my notes on the videos and look to see if I need to have outfit changes ready to go. Now, the one tip here is I would probably start off with just wearing something and then adding layers to it, or you can always start by wearing a couple layers and then removing some of them, so that way you're not having to take like 20 minutes to change or anything, which I don't know who takes 20 minutes to change, but if that's the thing, you're trying to cut down on time. Additionally, you can always throw on a ball cap or a hat, just kind of change your look up a little bit. The cool thing is I purposefully included ideas that didn't necessarily need me to be on camera. For example, the writing on paper idea, where actually going to show myself writing stuff on paper, doesn't require that I be in front of the camera. I'm going to look through here, see how many outfit changes I may need, and then I'm going to go grab those outfit changes and have them centrally located so that I can really quickly put them on and off while I'm recording my videos. If you're finding the information in this video useful, go ahead and let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up so that I can keep creating content that you'll like and enjoy. All right, so I'm back. So I'm going to keep things real simple. I'm actually going to wear the same dress in all of these videos. I'm going to switch it up by adding layers to some of them. I got a nifty little hat that I'll wear with a chunky bracelet that I could put on. Something that's really easy and will save me a lot of time. Now I'm ready for the main event, and I'm going to hit record and start piecing together my 5 Instagram reels. Okay, so one of the important things that I want to point out here is that when you are actually going in and making these Instagram reels using your phone, you're going to want to click that share to button, but instead of hitting publish or sharing the actual reel at that time, there's an option at the bottom of the screen that says save as draft, and that's what you want to do. And the reason you want to do that is because you can actually, when you're on your profile, click over here to the Instagram Reels section, and all of the drafts that you have, which we're going to have 5 of these set up in the Instagram Reels, it'll appear as drafts. And that's exactly what you're wanting, because then you have the option to click on it and hit select, and then you're going to be able to post it later on. All right, so I just finished recording all 5 of my Instagram Reels. Now, this is a personal preference of mine, and certainly you don't have to do this. All of the Reels right now are sitting in draft form on my Instagram page or profile. But what I'm going to do is, for the ones that I don't need audio or I don't have speaking parts to it, I'm actually going to save those, download them, and then import them into my Canva account so that I can add more graphic elements. And the reason I'm doing this is because I use Canva on the daily, and so I'm much more proficient in Canva in being able to add animation and graphic elements than I feel comfortable actually doing that in the Instagram Reels platform. So that's just a personal preference of mine. You certainly don't have to do that. You can do all your editing in the Instagram Reels platform. If you do want to try Canva, I have a link to it where you can actually try Canva Pro for free for 30 days. I swear by Canva Pro. I love it. I use it on the regular, and so it's going to help me cut down on time as far as editing these videos. Video making process in 6 easy steps.
That's actually true.
Stuck on ideas for your next blog post? Turn to Google. All right, so now that I am done recording, editing, and I have all of my Instagram Reels queued up to go for the coming weeks, I am completely done. So I'm looking at the time here, and it is 2 o'clock. So I actually got it in right before my 2:05 cutoff. Remember, we started this process at 1:05 p.m. and so we got it done within the hour, which is really, really great. Let me know in the comments below if you think batching your Instagram Reels is a good idea for you and if you plan on using a process similar to this. If you like this video, remember that every Monday I release a video just like this with information that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Don't forget that I have a website. Definitely go check that out because I have a couple of freebies there waiting for you. Website is www.theseasonmarketer.com, and while you're there, you may want to consider joining my weekly email list. Every Thursday, I'll hit your inbox with even more marketing tips, tools, and tactics that you can use to help you grow your business. Thanks again for tuning into another Monday Marketing Minute. I'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.